That's the parrot. And he's playing with it. So cute. Yeah, maybe you think that's like the parrot. That's not the parrot, that's just his little feathers. A long one. That's the feather from the Alexandrine parrot. From his tail. For that reason it's so long. Yeah, but you want to play also? A white fatty ass. A white fatty ass. I'm sitting too close. I can't bite him properly. Eva, do you want also to play? She is more like a puma cat. Puma, panther. Fat boy, a white boy. Ghosty, ghosty, ghosty. Eva. Yella, Eva. Look at her how she's sitting. Oops. Sorry, Eva. Dum 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 dum. Кити-кутю. Сладкая. Сладкая девочка. Сладкая девочка.